Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding the steam deck and washing your hands, then place it face up on a flat, dust-free surface. Use the wet wipe, then the microfiber cloth, and finish with dust stickers. This removes oils and microparticles that trap bubbles. Once done, peel roughly 1/2 of the protector's backing away, but hold the film by its edges. This first lift gives control. It prevents the protector from flapping and lets you align the top edge precisely before laying it down. You now align the exposed edge to the steam deck's bezel and camera or sensor cutouts, ensuring perfect fit. Take your time, because once it touches adhesive, the position is final. Then lower the protector slowly, guiding it downwards so air can escape naturally toward the bottom. Use a soft card or the provided squeegee and press from the center outward in steady strokes to push out air. If it snags, lift gently at the nearest corner and reposition before You finish by running your squeegee firmly around the edges to ensure the adhesive seals fully. Letting the deck sit undisturbed for 1 to 2 hours improves bond strength. If you spot a speck under the film, use a dust sticker at the edge and lift one corner very slightly. Slide the sticker under, then reseal. Do not peel the whole protector. If tiny bubbles persist, apply a few seconds of low heat from a hair dryer to soften the adhesive, then smooth them out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.